Good morning, guys. Welcome to another motor vlog. I am just leaving the house now. Gonna get on the bike, riding towards. Oh, it's Sunday, so going for the Sunday ride, riding towards Gurgaon. We'll brief you guys once I'm on the bike. As always, running late, so just gonna quickly mount the bike, start it, and then I will brief you on today's plan once I am closer to the meeting point. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. So I'm back on the bike. Meeting point is at same shady bridge that we have just beyond Ambience Mall. We're meeting there, should be there in about 20 minutes, and then we're going to move on to KMP, Palwal side. So I just stopped on the way. I'm on the Gurgaon Expressway right now. I just realized I have this habit of constantly checking my hip pocket if my wallet is tipped out, and I just realized I didn't even keep my wallet today. And this is unbelievable for a person like me. I'm sort of a control freak, and you know, I always keep my wallet. In fact, there are times I'm bloody carrying my wallet inside the house also, but somehow I just miss keeping my wallet. So I was in two minds whether I should turn around and go back home or should I continue for the ride. Then I realized that I had registered myself a long time back on DigiLocker. DigiLocker, I'm sure a lot of you know, is a digitalized app where you can digitally store your identification IDs like Aadhaar card, driving license, and everything else issued by the government. So I just checked on the phone, it's there. I checked if the driving license and Aadhaar card were there, they're there, thankfully. So I'm continuing for the ride now. I'm going ahead to the meeting point. Thankfully, these days everything is also UPI based. So when we reach for brekkie, or if there any need for any funds ever, at least a UPI should work, because I don't have my credit cards or any cash on me right now. Satchkal sir, good morning ji. Good morning. Alright. Good morning, very well sir. Hi sir, how are you? Very well sir.
Gravi rate for finally
How are you sir? Sorry, मेरी wait कर रहे थे? Sorry. So your hair is becoming longer and longer, younger and younger.
Hey, Aji boy, you late हो गया यार.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot to get my wallet, so I stopped on the way. I'm not carrying my license वगैरह, वो मैं ले लूँगा.
Aji.
Sorry, late हो गया. I forgot to carry my wallet. I'm not carrying it, so license वगैरह, but it's all on DigiLocker, so. Leaving now from the meeting point. So sweet of the boys, they were waiting for me. Yeah. Anyway, heading on to KMP. There is a bit of fog right now.
You have to go back yaar. Manesar Toll se U-turn le raha.
Okay dog, see you dog. Just stopped at Manesar Toll, just crossed it, now leaving, heading for KMP. Today traffic is pathetic. It's not like it's too much, but either everybody is sleepy, there is no lane driving, nothing, and people are just cutting each other like crazy. It's not like people are over speeding, it's like they're just drifting away from one lane to another, no indication, nothing. Unbelievable. I had 2-3 narrow escapes. Idiots, even the truck guys. I think they're absolutely sleepy, because like this guy's in his lane, there are a couple of them, they just start drifting towards the right, left, you know, at the speed of 50-60. I'm giving them the light, I'm honking, everything, you know. These guys just don't care, and that's not how it is usually. But now look at this chap, he's either left, right, he's just kind of swiveling all over the place, yeah? And they start braking. Unbelievable. It's the most irritating thing is they hear a bike coming, they have nothing in front of them, and they start hard braking in the middle of the road. What the F, man? Why do you want to do that? Why would you hard brake in the middle of the road for no rhyme or reason just because you hear a bike coming? They get excited, they get scared. I don't know. This bike doesn't even sound loud. It's not even a loud bike. But anyway, crazy. Very, very funny morning. I thought I had like a foggy brain in the morning. I forgot my wallet. But I think everybody else is also in that foggy state of mind today. It is foggy though. Look, fog. So last weekend I didn't ride my bike, but I of course got to know that a lot of bikers were harassed by cops. Now, there are lots of bikers in Delhi, there are lots of bikers in Delhi NCR, there are lots of bikers in our country. 80 or 90 bikes in Gautam Budh Nagar, I think that's where the area was. They were seized, as in they were taken to the police station. Now I saw news clippings with people with, there were fathers with their daughters and sons who were riding, leisure riding in a group. There were women who were riding. Their bikes, there were a lot of bikes which were only 125 or 200 cc, and those bikes can't even go that fast for too long. So, and typically they weren't. And oh, by the way, you know what was the reasoning of the cops at that time? They said that we've stopped those people because they were wearing racing gear. Now these idiots don't even know that the gear we wear is not racing gear, it's protective gear. Gloves, jackets, riding jeans or pants, everything. This is protection. Now if these guys would ever educate themselves or even Google it, they'd understand that this is to protect ourselves. Just because we're wearing full gear like everybody else here is wearing their complete gear is for our own protection. So they said because you're wearing such gear, you guys are identified as racers, and that's why we're going to take you and detain you in the police station and seize your motorcycles. This is very unfair towards bikers. Branding all bikers as hooligans or gangs and branding us as criminals is absolutely wrong. So I was all geared. I am still all geared up today. I have certain documents. I'm carrying a few relevant sections. I took photocopies from the Motor Vehicle Act, from the Constitution of India, from the motor vehicle rules, to show them what the sections actually mean, because they just quote random sections from the law without even knowing what they mean. So they also told those guys who were detained that they were overspeeding without showing them any proof. There was no proof. It clearly is written in the Motor Vehicle Act that if someone detains you for overspeeding, it has to be supported by an electronic device where they can show you proof that you're overspeeding. Just by an eyewitness seeing a two-wheeler flying past, there's no human can judge what their speed is. So it's incorrect to do that, and they had no documentation, they had nothing, they had no device to show that those guys were overspeeding. But we will keep riding. We're going to ride the way we do, and if anybody stops us, we will try and educate them. If they try and harass us a bit too much, we'll see what we can do there and then. But Delhi police in India, traffic police, Delhi NCR, I think it's high time you guys start educating yourself about bikers and how bikers ride and what the entire community is like. Of course, you should hold up and you should take strict action against people who are breaking the law as far as traffic rules are concerned, under the Motor Vehicle Act, under whatever legislation there is. You should take strict action against them. But do not harass every single person who's on a two-wheeler, especially wearing protective gear. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Leaving the Taru exit towards Sona, and then we head for Brekkie. Just crossed the hilly section of Sona. I forgot to switch on the camera. Yeah, it was a beautiful ride coming down the hill. We've just got onto the Sona Expressway now on our way to Brekkie. It's about 35 kilometers, 40 minutes from here. We'll see you at the Brekkie point. Alright. Almost at Bristol. Congratulations. Congratulations, ji. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I told you get the 10 hour. I told you 10 hours better than the 1000 hour. Of course it's better. Bullshit. This is a much better bike.
Excuse me.
This is the best liter bike.
तेरी वाली नहीं है, इसके बाद वाली है ये.
Same है. There's only color differences change. और कुछ नहीं है. Technically कोई फर्क है इसमें और मेरे में? सेम है ना, कलर डिफरेंस है ना, कलर डिफरेंस है ना,
डैश भी डिफरेंट है इसका.
सेम. यू कैन चेंज द डैश, you can change the dash.
बात कर, पैसे का ब्लेंड कर रहा है. और क्या?
you can leave my hand now. Okay. How are you, Rohit? क्या हाल है सूरी साहब? Very good. Hi Pops.
Hey, Angad, how are you?
Very well. Just finished breakfast. Leaving now for home. It's 11. Should be home hopefully by about 11:30. Quite a few have left. Few of us left behind. Everybody's gearing up, and we should be out in another 5 minutes. So Buffy's not taking MG Road. He is going with me on the highway. One, it's nice on the highway. There's better traffic movement on the highway. MG Road by this time starts getting crowded. So almost home now. Done with the ride. Should be home in another 2-3 minutes. Thank you guys for joining in. Thank you guys for tuning in. I blabbered a lot about what happened last weekend with the cops and the bikes and the bikers. You guys can skip that part if you get bored. But today was a good ride though. We were expecting a lot of fog. There was, oh wow, did you see that? I just got that on camera. This friggin' idiot broke the light and that car didn't stop. Probably didn't see him coming. And that's the shit that happens on Delhi roads, man. Or Indian roads. That's how they drive. That's how they ride. Idiots. Anyway, sorry, coming back to closing the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you. Watch the videos on YouTube for HD version, high definition videos. Do subscribe. Do follow on Instagram. You'll find these vlogs at both places. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.